So graphic design program at the College of DuPage, it's a community of creatives. Everybody who's part of this community or the program is really passionate about design, whether it be students or faculty or staff. And you can see that in all of our work and how we are regarded in the area. We are NASAD accredited, and very few community colleges are accredited by NASAD, and we are one of them. It's a 2-year program, jam-packed with a lot of classes, going from Graphic Design 1, which is the intro to the program and what graphic design is, all the way up to portfolio, and Graphic Design 4, where you work with real clients.
My experience has been really good. I love the instructors. I think they're all so passionate about what they do. They're always around, always you can email them whenever you want. They're open to work with you past class time on your projects. Very, very helpful.
It's been really fun, and I've learned so much within the past year, and gotten to really like it. And every single instructor I've had, I have full trust in them to guide me and lead me in the direction that I need to in order to improve.
Honestly, I feel like it's prepared me a lot. I feel like I'm a lot more confident to jump into finding jobs or just internships, just getting their the teacher's advice and I guess experience and asking them how it was for them. It kind of makes you feel okay, I got this.
We teach our students beyond the design technique. We want to make sure that then when they're leaving us, they're prepared for the world. In their final semester, we have a class where they work with real clients. They learn how to prepare contracts. They learn how to negotiate, how to dress up for a presentation, how to present. And those are really essential skill sets which are required beyond just design skills. So every first or second week of May, we have a portfolio night where the graduating class for that year presents their portfolio. We invite industry people, we invite other colleges and universities, and of course family and friends.
I personally think it's great. It's really important not only for the students to have a place to show off their work, because that's not super common, but for all of our families and other supporters, it's also really nice for them to come and be able to support you.
We have 2 different portfolio classes, so you get to see the work of the students that you're in the class with, but you don't necessarily get to see the work of the other students, so it's nice to be able to kind of walk around the different tables and see all the work that they've done all year as well.
I am very happy that this is a thing, because it just makes everything we've done the past 2 years just seem a little bit more worth it, because everyone can see how hard we've been working. So I think it's a really great event.
I think COD, Graphic Design Program, is unique. It is attributed to the great faculty we have, the great resources. I think we've been really lucky to get amazing students here. And just having that student body with the skill set and the motivation and passion for design, it motivates everybody who is part of this community.